Hello and welcome to Walking in the Wild, and today I'm in the beautiful valley of Eskdale in the Lake District. Up there the pointed peak is Hartafell, green crag over there, and there's a wonderful temperature inversion, and upper Eskdale and over near Hardknot over there. So my single goal for today is going to be slight side, and that is my final Wainwright before I've completed all of them, all 214 of them, twice. So I'm actually really excited about getting to the summit. I'm quite achy and stuff, but I originally planned to do this by itself. As I was driving here, I thought, maybe I should do Scarfell at the same time, go up to Upper Eskdale and then up the Fox's Tarn route. And then when I got here, I thought, no, I'm going back to my original plan, based solely on the fact that it's going to be 25 degrees later. I've got plenty of water, but I don't fancy doing that much of a walk in that kind of heat. So for the moment, I've just gained about 100 meters up the side of the valley. Whoops. And I'm just following this little path along the wall. It's going to take me up to a couple of smaller peaks, and I should get my first view of slight side relatively soon, I think. Check out this absolutely stunning view of like Eskdale, so Hardknot Pass. There's actually over there, you might be able to see the old glisten of a car or something going up. I'm pretty sure I can see a van or a lorry trying to get up it, but hey, down that way is Lynn Cove Bridge and waterfalls, and this massive fell side here is Hardknot. So I actually just had my first view of slight side, although it's gone behind the cloud again now, but in the shade over there is Cat Crag, and it was just behind that. I managed to capture it on the other camera, and it looks like a very long way away still. I'm only slightly further along, and I can still make out one of the slopes of slight side. And I was just slightly wrong saying that this was Cat Crag. That's actually Dawson Ground Crag, and Cat Crag is actually just over to the right. And my path, I can see just here, it's going to work my way around between the two and then start the ascent up slight side. I'm continuing to gain a little bit of height. Slight side, unfortunately, is still up in the cloud up there, so I think I'm going to head over towards this big rock and sit down for 20 minutes, half an hour, and hope the cloud will start to lift. But this whole valley here is Cow Cove Beck, and I can actually see, I think, either cows or there could be wild ponies down there. And then this is High Scarth Crag here as well, looking fantastic at the end of the valley. I've been sitting here for about 20 minutes now or so, and just enjoying this view. over to Harterfell and Green Crag over there. I can see all of Hardknot, and then that goes up over there at the back, Crinkle Crags, and then the wonderful pointed summit of Bow Fell. Now, unfortunately, Slight Side is still in the cloud, although it has cleared once, and based on the fact that all the other summits around here are clearing, I imagine very soon it's going to be clear, so I think I'm going to start heading up. You can see someone just on the skyline up there. He passed me earlier when I was having a little rest, and it literally just goes straight up the ridge. So here I am on the summit of Slight Side. There used to be a small cairn. I think there is just a rock now that marks the actual top. But this is it, this is my final Wainwright, and I've now officially completed all 214 peaks twice. And I think it's time to start the third. But for now, let's just take in this view, because last time I was here, it was just sunny. But today there is so much broken cloud, so much of it below me. Have a look at this view. All of Upper Eskdale. Bow Fell over in the cloud there with Crinkle Crags to the right. Esk Pike right at the top of Eskdale. And then that's Ill Crag over there. Scarfell Pike is just tucked in the cloud. It's been coming and going every now and then. And then you follow this ridge up and you'll get to the summit of Scarfell. Now sadly I can't enjoy any of the view towards the coast or towards Eskdale, Green and that sort of area, because this big blanket of cloud refuses to budge. But got to be one of the best views to finish the Wainwrights on. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the bell just to keep up to date with any new video posts. And I will see you next time.